First of all, I would like to advise you what kind of program that is going on for this significant program, that is Meri Mati Mera Desh. For this, I think most of you have known about this program. We are having Silafalakam in 12 schools where the names of the brave hearts of this district is being inscribed on the plates. Then we will be having Bashida Bandhan on 13th. Then Viroga Bandhan on 14th and 15th. Then we will be having the central functions. And you know that lot of Amrit Sarovars have been constructed. Around 25 Amrit Sarovars are constructed in our district. So on that day, on 15th, we will be hosting the national flag in those Amrit Sarovars also. Then another milestone program, that is last year we have celebrated Har Ghar Tiranga. In this year also we will be celebrating. So I will urge upon all citizens of this district to buy a national flag and post it in their homes. So this is my request. And this third is, as you know that Amrit Diksha Andolan will be held on 17th of September. So you know that around 1 crore plants will be planted all over the state. So as a part also we have to take part in this exercise. So I will urge everyone to download the app Amrit Diksha Andolan in your mobile and register it, because we'll have a very small timeline on 17th of September. So within that timeline will be only of 2 or 3 hours. So within that we have to plant our saplings and then we have to upload our photographs in that portal. So I will urge everyone to register in that portal and you download the app in your mobile phones. Then another program that will be unfolded all over the state, that is Khel Maharam. As you all know that the government of Assam is have a vision to nurture sports at the grassroots level and to give opportunity or a platform to everyone. So we will be holding Khel Maharam in each village of our district. I want all the youngsters and the sports loving persons to prepare for this. We will be having these sports in 2 levels. One is for below the 19 years of age, and it will be for both men and women. So we have to prepare for this, and we are going to select fields or the sports ground in each and every village. So we will hold those competitions in those villages. Then we will be having a VDC level competitions. Then from the VDC level we will be having a district level competition. And from the district level competition, our competitors will join in the state level competitions. So I will express my thanks for everyone who has assembled here, and please give this message to everyone so that we can make all these programs successful in our district. Thank you. Everyone, so who has come forward, they can join. Because invitation is not a kind of invitation. If they wanted to join, they can just inform us.
Previous year, they just take an invitation.
That's not that way. We have informed the education department and they have circulated the message to you. Yes, regarding this Har Ghar Tiranga, so that we host the flag in our homes like last year's, and we give proper respect to the flag. And all the flags are available at the fair price shops. So you can buy from there or you can buy from our offices.
What will be the price of
The cost is 25 rupees.
25 rupees, depending upon the size.
No, only one size has been given, so that will cost you 25 rupees.
Ma'am, regarding
Timing for this official hosting is 7:30 in the morning. So they have to abide by whatever time, or we'll be informing them. We've already informed them. They should give proper when they are hosting the flags in their, say, in their homes or in their cars or in their bikes. So they should pay proper respect, and while lowering the flag also, they have to take proper care and respect.